Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions, and today we are diving into a cool feature in Automation Anywhere A360, making your bots talk. Yes, you heard it right, your bot can actually speak whatever you want. Now let's get started. Let me show you my bot.
Hi, I am a bot and I can speak. Bot has completed successfully.
Here we go, we can hear it. Alright, so let's see how can our bot can speak. So for this, I am using a script file, and with the help of that VBScript, our bot is able to speak, and we can use this feature in our any of the task bot or in MetaBot. And in previous video, we saw how can we play sound of beep and all, but in today's session, we will see how can our bot can speak anything. For example, if you want whenever bot gets terminate, and if you want it should speak the termination reason, or it should speak that the bot has completed or bot has terminated. So or whenever you are starting the bot, you can you want bot to speak this bot has started. So anything, if you want, you can use this script file, and then bot will speak that for you. So we have created a VBScript file that will accept text input as command line arguments, and it will use a text-to-speech functionality to pronounce the input text. So we can save the script in a notepad file, and then we can save that file as a with the extension .vbs, and then we can use that script file in our bot. For using the script file in our bot, I am using this open program file action of the application package, and I have given the path of the file here, and here I have given the inputs, whatever I want bot to speak. So now let me show you the script file. So this is the script which we are using, and we have assigned 3 variables, and then we are using those variables. So in this, we are getting the input from the user. It is a string line. We are using string line arguments for getting the input. And in this line, we are creating the object of SAPI SP voices. And then we are speaking that text. So we are using that script here, and we can pass the text which we want to speak. And make sure you are passing the text in the double quotes. So, and guys, if you need this script, you can get it from our website. I will give the link in the description box. From there, you can copy it easily. Let me rerun the bot.
Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.
So here we go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question in any of the topic of Automation Anywhere or Globalism. Thank you. Bye.